5 things they don't want you to see in a job interview abroad. May abroad job interview ka? Tapos kabado ka na naman? Be prepared kasi ito yung mga tanong na halos hindi nawawala. May job interview ka? Sakto mga karekrod. Here are questions you must be ready for in an interview abroad. Halos 30 years na rin ako nagtatrabaho sa iba't ibang posisyon sa iba't ibang bansa. At yes, nakapag-interview na rin ako ng countless applicant. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala si Rick Rod, isang US citizen pero purong Pinoy. Nagsimula bilang project engineer hanggang maging construction manager abroad. Sa Guam, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya, Iraq, Afghanistan, Virginia, USA, Canada, Japan, at ngayon sa Doha, Qatar. Here are questions you must be ready for in an interview abroad. Makinig kayo dahil dito nadadali ang karamihan. Number 1, tell me about yourself. Ito ang common na tanong at dito pa lang marami ng bumabagsak. Don't, too long life story, personal drama, or irrelevant details. Do, structured, clear, value, focus, answer. For no experience, fresh grad, first time abroad. Hi, my name is, your name? I recently graduated and I'm eager to start my career. During my studies, I developed strong work habits such as being responsible, punctual, and willing to learn. I also gained experience working with different people through school activities and training. I'm a fast learner, hardworking, and I'm willing to be trained to meet company standards. I'm excited for this opportunity because I want to grow professionally and contribute to your team. For with experience, local OFW experience. Hi, my name is, your name? I have X number years of experience working as a job role position in a company, in industry and country. My responsibilities included handling daily tasks, working with the team, and ensuring quality output. I'm known for being reliable, hardworking, and adaptable in different work environments. In my previous role, I was able to maintain consistent performance and support my team in achieving targets. I'm now looking for an opportunity where I can continue growing and contribute my skills at a higher level. Keep it structured, huwag mong gawing long story sa life mo. Focus what you will contribute to the table. Highlight mo agad yung value mo. Number 2, why did you leave your last job? Guys, ito naman yung most dangerous question. Dito lumalabas kung professional ka o emotional ka. I learned a lot in my previous job but I'm now looking for more growth and new challenges. Career direction? I'm looking for a role that aligns better with my long-term goals. Better opportunity? I want to further develop my skills in a more challenging environment. Never badmouth your previous employer. Be professional, importante yan sa abroad. Number 3, what are your salary expectations? Don't badmouth your employer. Complain, emotional answers, do. Professional, neutral, forward-looking answers. Again, huwag mahiya sa ganitong tanong. Be confident. Isipin mo lang na you are selling your skills in a professional way and having a fair business conversation. Huwag magmadali sa pagsagot. That's a great question. Would you be open to sharing the budget for this role? If they give range, thank you. That aligns with my expectation. I'm open to discussing further based on the full package. If they don't, based on my research, I'm open to opportunities within the market range depending on responsibilities and benefits. Calm, smart, negotiation, mindset. Sa interview, hindi ka basta may fixed number, pero hindi ka rin bahala na. Alam mo ang worth mo, marunong kang makinig at kaya mong mag-adjust based sa market. Gusto ng employers abroad yung candidate na calm, informed at professional makipag-usap. Number 4, why should we hire you? Generic answer, no competence, no direction. Do. Clear value, impact, and contribution. Ito yung pinaka-tricky na tanong kasi dito ka dapat mag-stand out sa ibang applicants. Kaya make sure na confident at clear ka sa value na ibibigay mo. No experience? While I might not have direct experience, I have strong transferable skills like communication, teamwork, and willingness to learn. I adapt quickly and take initiative when needed. I'm confident I can grow into this role and contribute positively to your team. With experience, I believe I'm a strong fit because I understand the demands of this role. In my previous job, I consistently delivered results and supported team efficiency. If hired, my goal is to take responsibility, reduce workflow issues, and help the team achieve better performance. Focus on value, hindi credential lang, kundi impact. Sa interview, hindi lang tinitignan kung ano natapos mo o saan ka nagtrabaho. Mas importante, kung ano ang kaya mong i-deliver, ipakita mo kung paano ka nakakatulong, ano ang naiambag mo sa team, at ano ang magiging difference mo once ma-hire ka. Number 5, overall mindset in the interview. Don't kabado, unsure, overthinking answers. Do. Calm, prepared, confident presence. Employer abroad don't just hire skills, they hire attitude, clarity, and reliability. Mga ka-recruit, tandaan nyo, ang interview, hindi yan swerte. Preparation yan, discipline yan, mindset yan. Kung gusto mo umangat, act like someone they already trust before hiring you. Follow for more job abroad tips, at kung may interview ka this week, paghandaan mo. Opportunity favors prepared one.